Create clean and professional stripes and patterns in your lawn as you mow using the RYOBI 20 to 21 inch lawn mower striper. This striper is compatible with all RYOBI 20 to 21 inch battery powered mowers. Today, we'll be walking you through how to install your lawn striper and how to achieve the best stripes. For best results, fill the lawn striper with dry sand or water to provide more weight for pressing grass blades down. Sand is heavier than water and will leave behind more defined stripes or patterns in your grass. First, remove the plug from the side of the striper roller by hand. Second, roll the included flat paper funnel into a funnel shape and press the adhesive edge to seal together. Next, hold the funnel over the opening in the striper roller and fill with dry sand or water. Last, reinsert the plug into the roller and hand tighten until flush. Next, we'll want to attach the lawn striper onto the mower. Ensure the mower is on a flat level surface. Make sure the mower is off by removing start key and batteries. Fold the mower handles into storage mode for clear access when installing or removing the lawn striper. Set the mower deck height to the lowest setting.
Loosen the wing nuts so the arms can slide into the right position onto the mower, then tighten. Adjust and hook the arms of the lawn striper over the mower's back wheel axle. Fully tighten the locking knobs to secure the striper.
Raise the mower handles and set the deck to your desired height before you start striping. There are a handful of factors to consider in order to achieve the best stripes in your lawn. To start, cut a perimeter around your yard before you begin to stripe. Next, you'll want to determine your focal point or the desired line of sight that you want your stripes to face. A design that runs parallel to your most common line of sight will be more prominent. You'll also want to consider the position of the sun. The definition of your stripes will change throughout various times of the day depending on its location. Generally speaking, you'll see the best results when you're standing at your determined focal point and the sun is at your back or behind you. And also, always remember never to remove more than 1/3 of the total grass length at one time. Not only is this healthier for your grass, but longer grass blades can be bent down for more pronounced stripes. Lastly, consider your grass type and geographic location, as some conditions can yield better striping results than others. As always, if you have any additional questions, please reach out to RYOBI customer service.